Qingxiu Mountain. Guangxi Mountain Tourism Area is located in the southeast of Nanning City. The park is named by its famous Qingxiu Mountain. The mountain is stretching from its southern border near the Yangtze River to the northern margin defined by Phoenix Peak and Bronzestrong Peak. The Guangxi Mountain Range is the green lung of Nanning City. The whole area consists of 18 hills between 83 meters and 289 meters in altitude above sea level. The tourism area covers 4.5 square kilometers. A further extension to 22 square kilometers is planned in the near future. The water-covered area is 14,667 square meters, the green area covers 25,000 square meters. The most important scenic spots inside the park are Tianxi Lake, Dongquan Spring, Phoenix Pagoda, Dragon Elephant Pagoda, China-Thailand Friendship Garden, Yao Pool. Qingxiu Mountain Range is renowned for its beauty and the clear waters which run through it. Qingxiu Mountain has a long history. According to Annals of Nanning, during Jin Dynasty, a Taoist priest named Lu Oxi made pills of immortality in the mountain. From then on, numerous writers, poets and scholars came to visit it and made it known throughout the country. Over 400 hectares of green forests cover this mountain. Walking through the Qingxiu Mountain scenic area is like walking into greenery. Undulating mountains are covered with luxuriant vegetation and their slopes with green carpets. Ornamental plants flourish in a pretty, deliberate disorder in its valleys and by the pools. Its palm park is the largest palm plantation in China. The Dragon Elephant Pagoda, a 9-story pagoda that thrusts up 51 meters, is the highest pagoda in Guangxi. From the top of the pagoda one can have wonderful panoramic view of Nanning, with pine-covered mountains on one side and the urban area on the other. The two opposites are separated by the Yangtze River, which winds its course through the land like a jade ribbon. Now, it's a famous attraction spot of Guangxi, and today Qingxiu Mountain itinerary includes following scenic spots: Shuiyu Nunnery, Longshan Pagoda, Dragon and Elephant Pagoda, and Fengwang Pagoda, Phoenix Pagoda, Shuiyu Nunnery.
然后我今天我先想什么？最后说在那边有，我在上海，
在丹阳那里，但是成绩的话呢，现在经常都跑国外嘞。
哦，又跑国外啊？他
经常就是搞那种贸易嘛。
哦。
然后他的话有时候去
MBA
今年是刚毕业吗？
读完了没有？
读完了，
读完了。
刚毕业。
哦，那好。那说明现在经济也复苏。
It is a religion architecture with an area of 2,200 square meters, including the Diamond Hall, the Grand Hall, the Hall of Goddess of Mercy and the Hall of Jade Buddha. In front of us is the Grand Hall where Sakwai Muni 8 is enshrined. On the right side of it is the Hall of Jade Buddha and the left side is the Hall of Goddess of Mercy. The whole architecture is majestically graced with yellow glazed 9 tiles and vermilion tin wall. In China, a lot of imperial architecture is graced with yellow glazed tiles and vermilion walls, which emblems 11 wealth, dignity and authority of emperors. The main sites in Mount Qingxiu is ancient Longshan Pagoda. This pagoda was first built in the reign of Emperor Wan Li of Ming Dynasty, 1619. However, this is not the original one, but a reproduction 13, rebuilt by Nanning government from 1981 to 1985. About 53 meters high, it's a 9-story pagoda shaped in octagonal, graced with green glazed tiles and overhung eaves 14 on the top story, from which we can get a full view of Nanning City. Fengwang Pagoda. This 5-story pagoda was built in 1988, with a height of 32 meters. The second floor looks like a corridor where visitors can take a rest and enjoy the beautiful scenes around it. Behind the pagoda, we found a flight of steps 15 made by granite 16, which is called Bagua, 8 trigram, step. Upon the railings lies on the both side are the sculptured 17 figures, flowers and birds of Zhuang minority. Qingxiu Mountain is a stress during the development of Nanning City. In addition to the saving and restoring of the historic sites, some new sites were established. Thailand Garden is the fruit of the exchange and cooperation between Nanning and a city of Thailand, which was designed by a Thai architect. Strolling in the garden, flavored with Thai accents, you may taste the exotic glamour. Also, it is convenient that there are cable cars for you to appreciate the landscape of lakes and mountains.
可以，
可以了。哦，你拍的是视频啊？
视频也有，
无毛。
照片也有。